So the next thing we talked about in Unit 5 was the triangle sum theorem. So we want to make sure that you can use the triangle sum theorem to find missing angle measures. So just a reminder, the triangle sum theorem just says that all three of the angles of the triangle have to add up to 180 degrees. So let's look at an example. All right, what is the measure of angle R? So I'm given these three angles and I know that they have to add up to 180, so that's where I'm going to start. I'm going to say angle R plus angle T plus angle S equals 180. And then I'm going to go ahead and combine like terms. 3x's plus 3x's is 6x's plus 2 more x's, that's going to be 8x equals 180. And then divide each side by 8. And so x equals 22.5. But that's not what our answer is. It doesn't say what is the value of x. It says what is the measure of angle R. So from here, we would have to go back and we would have to substitute that in for angle R to figure out the measure of angle R. So I'm going to substitute in our answer, 22.5 for x. And I'm going to multiply that out. And I got the measure of angle R is 67.5 degrees.